Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. My name is Anish and today I'm going to be talking to you about the ESP user interface. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the various components that make the user interface, including the login page, landing page, and the task list. This is the login page for the Emergency Services portal. Just a few things to discuss before we can proceed with the demonstration. Number 1. The Remember Me checkbox. If you tick the checkbox, the next time you visit ESP, the system will automatically retain your credentials. Number 2, 30 minutes of inactivity. If the system is inactive for more than 30 minutes, the user's work session will expire and need to go back to the login page. Number 3, two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security for accessing the portal. After the user successfully enters their username and password, they are emailed a 6-digit PIN which they have to enter on the authentication page. And number 4, single sign-on. If this is enabled, users are automatically taken to the landing page after entering the portal URL. As my user has two-factor authentication enabled, upon successfully entering my username and password, I will be taken to the two-factor authentication page. You can see here we are given a box where we have to enter our verification code, but can't do so until we receive the email notification. This is our authentication email. As you can see, we are provided with our 6-digit PIN right here and are told that the code will expire in 5 minutes. Once I enter my verification code and submit, I am directed to the landing page. The 3x3 grid represents 9 top-level categories, each with multiple solutions inside. If we click on a top-level category, Information Technology for example, we are directed to the IT sub-landing page. There is a sub-landing page behind every top-level category, each with different solutions and descriptions inside. In the sub-landing page, the user is able to see a list of all solutions that are IT specific. They are also given a one-sentence brief summary about what each solution does, and by clicking on the blue icon next to the solution name, a modal will appear. This provides the user with a high-level description of how the solution works, as well as a high-level process diagram. The user is also able to create a new IT-related task from the sub-landing page and is done by selecting the Create Task button. For example, if we click Create Helpdesk Task, we are taken to a new helpdesk task where we can start inputting data as necessary. The task list is the second button on the navigation bar. Tasks represent a data record that is part of a solution and requires action from a group of users, or depending on the solution, a single user. This page contains all tasks that a user has access to, either to perform an action or to view the progress. The task list page consists of the following column headings: task ID and task name, the process name and state name, when the task was created and who it was created by, when the task was last actioned on and who by, and the alert type. The alert type shows whether a task is a to-do item that requires the user's attention or a watch item that allows the user to monitor. All tasks in the grid can be sorted in ascending or descending order. The grid also allows us to filter by way of drop-down or by using the search box. In addition, we are also able to perform a full grid search by using this field in the top right-hand corner. This searches the specified value against all visible row and column entries. Users are also able to create a new task from the task list and can be done so by selecting New Task in the top corner. A pop-up appears where the user is able to select what task they want to initiate. Next, we have admin pages. Admin pages are used to manage solution-specific data. Now, these will be explained in a lot more detail in future videos, but to quickly show you an example, let's look at the hydrants management admin form. This admin form is used to add, edit, and delete hydrants. Now, certain users with the relevant permissions are able to see this administration dropdown. This manages and administers various aspects within MaruBPM. The administration dropdown is split into 4 categories: identity management, process development, system configuration, and documentation, and will be explored in much more detail in future videos. And finally, we have the option to change the password directly from the front end. To do so, we are required to click on our own name in the top right hand corner and select Change My Password. We are then required to enter the old password and then enter and confirm the new password. Once the new password has been entered, the user is required to select Change Password, where, if successful, they are notified that it has been changed. More information on MaruBPM can be found on our website at www.marubpm.co.uk. Alternatively, we can be contacted via email or telephone. Bye for now.